This event takes place over a combination road and track course. If you want to prove your car and yourself, this is the course that can do it.
Go northeast, towards the shores of the Atlantic, within the city bounds of Volusia County. Daytona International Speedway possesses a road course located in the infield of the Tri-Oval Circuit, constructed in 1959. But it was not until 1962 when its combined road circuit was used for a sports car endurance series race. Starting with the Daytona Continental 3 Hours Grand Prix. Which then became the 24 Hours of Daytona in 1966. Which remains to date the longest ever Grand Prix of endurance race in North America, and yet another classic endurance event added on along with Sebring. Daytona's road course goes by a certain name. Globally, oval tracks like Daytona are called combined road courses, racetracks that integrate existing roads from an oval and combine it with Grand Prix course elements. In NASCAR, they're called ROVALs.
Brakes are high. He gets there. He's there. Brakes are Elliott inside in the chicane. Pounds, Blaney. Here comes Kyle Busch. And it's a drag race to the line. Kyle Busch is going to steal the Busch Clash.
One might say this leaves the mind to think that not all Grand Prix circuits are created equal, and that they all come in 3 different forms: combined road courses, purpose-built, and temporal street circuits. Speaking of street circuits, Florida has especially a history of Grand Prix racing on the streets,